Sanibonani, ngiphole enhloko, ngisoshabeni. Guys, niyazi nginenkinga. I bought i-mic for ama-voice over, but I feel like i-mic ishintshe i-voice yami. How can I sort that out? Because it's stressing me. Uzoyizwa nje le voice note as uyizwa njengamanje le voice over. Angazi ngempela ukuthi ngenze njani. But-ke okwamanje asigeze siye esontweni siyodumisa. I hope you guys enjoyed your Sunday too.
I'm kind of sad right now because until manje ngiya-ayina ngadecide ukushisa into engizoyigqoka, but we're still gonna wear it and we're gonna compromise, so let's see how is it gonna play. So yeah, I'm so sad. So I'm gonna be wearing the trouser. I used to wear it at work, so yeah. And then actually I could go like this, but my nipples are popping out. And look at the back. But okay, it's okay. What's about it? I can't money blog saying ngishisile into yami cause ngenzela ukuthi ningathi yo wena uveza amavela esontweni. You see? Very chilled, very demure. I'm not gonna wear any earrings. I'm not gonna wear any watch. I'm not lying. I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna wear it. Zombona mase ngi-complete sengihamba because ngizothi ngiyaphuma bese ngingazifile yabo leyo nto bese ngiyajika. But now I just need to, yeah, I'll wear my earrings, I'll wear my necklace, I'll wear my watch. Okay, the shoes that I'm gonna wear, I'm still indecisive. I'm going, guys. I'm not gonna be able to show you all of it, but guys, if you apply at university, please do contact me. I will refer you to the right person. Kanye, you can just like screenshot this and contact this number. She will definitely assist you. Then don't forget, guys, to get us a model, all car brands. If you are looking for a model, either you want to buy cash or you want to trade in, please make sure that you contact me. My number is on the screen. I'll put it right now. Let's go to church.
Guys, besihleli ngemuva emotweni bese sizivisa ngokuhleka nangiyami mina ngidansa angikwazi-ke nokudansa but overall ngi-enjoyile. I would post ama-sermons on my story, so do check them out. Love you guys. Good night.